channel and I am up with another video. So today's topic is no makeup look. So what's a no makeup look? A no makeup look is a no makeup look. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So today we are going to do a no makeup look. Or by the way, I have done my nails and they're looking pretty like black and I'm loving this. I'm literally loving this. So a no makeup look is specifically a makeup look that appears to be very natural, and it looks like as if like you have nothing on your face, but it gives it gives like a natural glow on your face, and simultaneously you look like the natural beauty which we all are, but we all like makeup and we'd like to do it in a different way. So for that different way I'm doing this video. So let's get started. Oh wait, don't go. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you never miss an update, and like this video and give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I hope this video helps you a lot. This is the motive. And one more thing, I'm wearing this beautiful jewelry, an Afghani jewelry kind of a thing, and I'm in love with this piece. It is literally blue and red. And now we'll start up with the video. Let's get started. So I'm starting with this MAC Prep Plus Prime Spray, fixing spray. It's very nice. It's my new purchase and I am loving this. I'm being obsessed with this and I am in love with this packaging. Look at this glittery packaging. I hope you all can see. So I'm starting with this MAC Prep and Prime. I'm pushing in my skin like with my fingers only. So we'll wait for 10 more seconds and give her like fan kind of a thing so that we are having a matte finish. Then we'll go on. So I'm not using actually a proper foundation, concealer and all that steps because it is a no makeup look. I'm using my Smashbox foundation stick just to cover my dark circles, and the shade is 1.2. It gives a very natural look and simultaneously covers all your dark circles and stuff. It's actually a foundation, but I'm using it as a concealer on the places where I usually use, like on the nose, a little bit on the lips. With this blending brush, I'll blend all this and I'll be back. It blends so smoothly and it feels like you have nothing on the face. This is the lightest foundation I have, literally the lightest, being a creamy foundation. But make sure you blend well because it's very important, and blending is the key to a good makeup look. So this foundation is very lightweight, and if you use in summer then you might use a compact, but this is the winter season coming on, so we don't need a compact actually, and it will stay in place all day. I'm using the opposite side of this foundation in a way that I have never used any other contouring stick like this. I'm using this on the crease of my eyes like so. I'm doing it randomly and slightly on the nose, then on the usual areas only, and we'll just dot it over here as well. Only dotting, no sliding, because it gives a more darker look. And slightly on the forehead and dotting all this, and then again with the same blending brush I'll blend all this out, and I'm using the same blending brush on the eyes as well. So I think I'm done with the blending. So now I'm applying the blush, which is my favorite part. I'm using the Maybelline Color Show blush, and my shade is Creamy Cinnamon, and this is a very light peachy blush. So I like this blush, and I'm using this all over my face with this kind of a brush, and I'll use a good amount of it because it's a peachy blush, it's not a pink blush, to give it a nice color. So I'll use the same on the other side as well, and I think I've got quite a lot on my face. I'll use slightly on the chin, nose, on the forehead, wherever I want. Then I'll go on to the eyes. For the eyes, I'm using my kajal, that is the Shinaz Hussain Herbal Kajal. This is, and it has a cutie mirror, and I'm thankful it has a mirror. So it's a pencil kajal kind of a thing, and I am applying it on very lightly because this is very pigmented, very lightly on my lower as well as upper lash line. I'll use very little amount and then smudge it with my fingers only to give it a black look. At least when you are going for like only, and apply it on the half lash line only, and then smudge it all over the lash line. Same I'll do with the other eye. Lash it with my, blend it with my fingers. Dash it, dash. And it has smudged a little bit. So now on the upper lash line you can take a pigmented look kind of. You just close your eyes and again do on half lash line only. Same on the other side. So now we'll do a mascara. I am using the Almay mascara. This is one coat thickening mascara, and I'm in love with this. This is so natural and I'm obsessed with this. This was actually a gift, and this is an out of India brand, so I don't know if you'll find this in Indian markets. Very lightly I'll apply it only on the lashes, on the lower lashes as well. And literally you go on only with one coat, and that's it. Mascara is done, and the last thing I'll go on with is my lip balm. Not a big fan of baby lips, but today, just because I'm not having a pink tint kind of lip balm, so I'm using this one, and I am done with my makeup, and I'm very happy. So this is my no makeup makeup look. I hope you guys like this look. I am at least loving this. This is the way I go. So that's it, and don't forget to seal it with this again. I'm just going to remove this after this video because I am actually at my house, so I am not going outside, so I'm going to remove, so I'm not wasting this, but you guys should apply this after makeup. And that's it for this video. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.